Okay, for those of you who feel like you want to try some embedding into your discussions or adding links in your sentences so that you can share some of the websites you're finding, I'm going to use the announcement tab to do this. But let's do this. Let's call this um, how to embed. Oops. How to embed videos and place active links to URLs in your discussion. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's suppose I'm writing in discussion and I say something like, I found a good video on genetics that I think you will like. It is 18 things you should know about genetics. Okay. And so let's suppose that I'm going to put that hyperlink in here. Well, let's find the video. Let's see. There it is. This is the video. Now, the URL, make sure you can see it. It's right here. You can find it under the share button, or you can find it right here. And you copy that and then paste it in. Now look, here it is here. So you can copy it there and paste it in also. Okay, so if we want to link to that video, we go to the hyperlink button and we're going to open a new window and we're going to put the URL in there. The URL is how we get to it. We're going to put submit. Now we have an active link. Let's suppose, however, we'd like to go one step farther and put in the video itself. Now, in every YouTube and in many other sites, there are buttons that say share, or it might look like 3 fingers sticking up, like a trident, or it might be the universal embed code. I'll show you that in a minute. And you would click on embed, and then you can copy that code. That's the embed code. Take that embed code back to your discussion. Now, for Blackboard, what we have to do is we're going to put it in here someplace, but we have to toggle this to get the hypertext language put in. And that's where the embed code is. It's hypertext. Okay. So we're going to put it there. And there it is. That's the embed code. And just to show you that it really works, let's look at this. There it is. Now we haven't submitted this yet, but there's the video. It will play. See? It'll play. I'm going to shut that down. And because I can't do 2 in a post, I'm going to get rid of that and take it out. So we've got the link there. Now let's suppose that we want to get a different kind of a video. We're going to use a PBS. This is PBS. Now this is going to be on epigenetics. And again, I can get the URL right there. Copy that. Okay. And I saw a great video on epigenetics. Oh, okay. Again, get rid of that so we don't duplicate it. Paste it in, open link in new window, submit. There it is. Okay, now in this case, let's suppose we want to embed this one. This one, see this little symbol there? That's a universal symbol for hypertext code. It's inside of that. So we're going to get that code. There it is right there. We're going to copy that code. It's on my clipboard now. I just left clicked on copy and took care of that. And then I'm going to go back to the message and I'm going to go back to this. So we put it in hypertext again. I got to put it down here. I'm going to paste it in, toggle back, and there's the epigenetics video. It's there, see? Okay. Now, what if I were going to do something else special? I could. Let me take that out. Maybe I can add something here. Let me see what I think. Let me see. Let me see if I can do this. I'm going to put something here, okay? Now what do I want to put? I have a Voki somewhere. Is that my Voki? That's not my Voki. Where's my Voki? Oh, there's my Voki. This is my Voki. This is what my Voki does.
You will enjoy the video and learn why there are no identical twins.
That's about epigenetics. I made that in advance, of course. I can publish this and get the embed code. There it is. Again, copy it. It's copied. Now I can go back to this. Let's see if I can stick that in there. I'm going to try. I want to try to stick it in there. And I don't. I don't know if I can put it where I want to put it. Well, that's where I was. See, my cursor's flashing right up there. Let's see what happens if I paste it up there and toggle back. It's going to show up below. But it's there. Okay. What I'm going to have to do is submit this so that we have a complete announcement. Let's see if it works now.
I hope you will enjoy the video and learn why there are no identical twins.
Right. There you go. So that's another way, another program. But you see, it's all similar. That's the way you do this kind of thing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this whole thing, create announcement, and I'm going to delete it. Bam, it's gone. And I'm going to put it back in, but I'm going to put in the screencast, okay? In the screencast,